Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to trim your beard with minimal equipment. All we need is a comb or a beard brush and some clippers. Optional, we can also use some scissors, which I will show you how to use in the video. So I only need these three different things here to be able to get your beard trimmed nicely. So we're going to want to find where your beard line is. Mine's getting a little low. Usually keep it right to the jawline, but it's getting a little long here now. So one of the best tips that I found for getting rid of a messy beard is to go against the grain of your beard with a beard brush. And this will show you any of those flyaway hairs that are a little bit too long and need a trim. So I'm gonna do that right now. And I can see there's a few on this side here and a few there. So I'm gonna make quick work of these and just lightly trim the flyaways. And I'm only going to target the ones that are standing out really far. Just lightly going over it. And there it is. So quick and easy, got rid of all those flyaway hairs. I usually do this a couple times because there's seemingly always more hairs that will pop out after you do this a couple times. So now, if you're anything like me, you're going to get a few of these because my hair seemingly grows in different lengths from different places. So just quickly go through that and get rid of any of these flyaways. Looks pretty good. So again, that's just going to get any of these messy hairs that will kind of mess up your overall flow of your beard. I get a lot of them, so. You can repeat this a few times as necessary. If you keep finding more hair sticking out, then go ahead and do it a few more times. And like that, I got all those that are sticking out. So again, brush your hair back into its original place. And then you'll see maybe there's a few more that are sticking out, so you can go ahead and clip those off. But next I'm going to proceed to trimming up the neckline. So I'm going kind of scruffy here, so I'm going to remove that and then start to line up my beard again back to where I want it to be. So this is kind of individual preference, but personally I like to have my beard up by my jawline just so it's nice and sharp. So I want to clear off the hair around my neck here and start to tidy up the beard. This part's easy because you just go right along wherever your line is. You're going to cut to. Mine being right at the jawline. Even this alone could be enough to be a trim. When I'm growing my beard, I just get rid of the hairs that are on my neckline just to tidy them up a little bit, make it look nicer. And then I'm just going to go along the beard and get all those straggling hairs that just creep their way down and mess up the flow of the beard. So there we go, getting the beard lined up nice and smooth here. I want to start to gradually push back further into the hairline as I let this get a little bit unruly with some time. So for this, I'm just going to find my beard line and be very precise with how I'm trimming along here. I'm going to have this angled kind of at 25 degrees just to be able to get all those loose ends and keep it sharp looking. And this is kind of 2eye. You can use some tools to get nice and tight with this, but I usually do this just by eye. You might notice some loose hairs. So I go ahead and just tidy that up. I'm going to go up a little bit on the beard here. And it's starting to get a little tighter. And it's coming along. So there's some areas here that are a bit longer than others. You can see on my chin it's a little longer, so I'm going to start to tackle that area. But I got this part mostly lined up, the other side mostly lined up. So it's just targeting the chin hairs now. There's a bunch of loose ends, so I'm just going to neatly collect those and tidy them up. If you want to keep your little chin hairs, you can always lift it up and get right underneath there. And there you go. Next just needs a quick brush up. Some loose hair sticking to it. And there we are. I also like to go around and get the back of my neck too, but I'll leave that for after the video. It's not as exciting. But we know I got this lined up right to the chin line. And my last step here is to use the clippers, or the scissors, not the clippers, just to get those last few hairs. So again, just looking for any flyaways that just don't match the aesthetic of your beard. I also go up into the lining of my cheeks because I grow hair there, but my beard doesn't connect. So I like to get rid of those as well. Trimming the mustache is kind of the same process. It just depends how you want your mustache. Personally, I just use scissors to get a nice clipping. I just remove it right off the lip, leaving everything else intact. So there we are. Trim up the front of the beard a little bit. We're good to go. There we go. Got the beard all lined up. Trimmed her nice and tight. And it's looking good. So very easy to do that. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. And you can get it trimmed up very nicely in a short amount of time. Doesn't take too much. Clippers, scissors, and a beard comb. That's all you need. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Tell me what type of content you'd like to see next, and I will see you all in the next video.